Do you know that content creation is a new drug business? Yes, you heard me right. Like when you hear drug money, I'm sure you know what comes to mind when you hear people say drug money, because it's literally one of the fastest way people can make millions and billions of dollars of, whatever currency, right? But it's illegal. And the likes of Yahoo, if you're in Nigeria, you understand what Yahoo means, like being a Yahoo boy, or the whole Yahoo game and all of that. The kind of money that comes from such illegal kind of business can be likened to the kind of money that you can make from content creation.
What?
Okay. Yeah. A lot of people are making money through content creation, making six figures through content creation. And you see them living a lifestyle that is way expensive. What do they do for a living? Content creation. So whether you're still toying with the idea of starting your content creation journey, or you've actually just started and you're still a newbie in it, and you're probably just contemplating whether to continue, or you're probably discouraged by slow growth and everything, just stay with me in this video, and I promise you that you are going to be encouraged to start your content creation journey. And if you started and you're thinking of slowing down, you're going to pick up the race and start again. Okay. All right, let's get into this video. If you're just meeting this face for the first time, hi, welcome. So lovely to meet you. My name is Gochi. I am a content strategist by profession. This is the small channel zone, also the small creator zone. So in this channel, I teach content creators how to come up with very good content for their channel. Also, I educate people on how to grow their audience on YouTube and basically the digital space. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how content creation can actually earn you six figures in from this year 2025. You can literally start earning money every month, huge amount of money. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So I have literally lost the number of counts of digital content creators that I followed in the past years that have grown, that are now earning in six figures and are now big shots. They are not just big shots in the digital space, they are literally big shots like everywhere with brands, big brands. Because of what? Because they made the decision, they took the decision to pick up their phone and press record. As simple as that. So I'm going to start from most of the Nigerian known names, household names that we know, from Instagram to TikTok to YouTube. There are so many of them, from Wufai Faida, Dang, Diary of a Niger Girl. There are so many. I can't even count. Like these people, I started to follow them when they just started content creation, when they just had few numbers following them. But because of consistency, they grew an audience, and right now they are big shots. Many of them are brand ambassadors right now as we speak. Many of them, a content creator I know, because of how she displayed how her skills just on a skit, displayed skills of how she could play football, soccer, and just like that. And a known TV brand, I'm sure some of you know the person I'm talking about, how to reach out to her, to call her to come and become a co-host for a football show in a multinational company. Oh my god, she has literally no experience when it comes to TV presenting, but then she was trained and she was given this job. This person I'm speaking about right now is a multi-millionaire when it comes to dollars, earning in dollars. So you guys, content creation is the new way to go when it comes to earning money. Like if you know that you're a stay-at-home mom, or you are doing that job that you're currently tired of, or you don't have a job and you don't know what to do. Why are you still sitting down there when you have a phone? A phone, spending time, instead of you spending time browsing and browsing through people's contents, giving them money, because the more you view, the more money they make. Why don't you just start creating your own for people to start viewing, and so you can start earning in the nearest future? Every one of these people that I mentioned, they started somewhere, they started someday. Today they are multi billionaires. Okay, so if whichever day you start is a good day for you to start. That is the day of your beginning. So why are you still sitting down and contemplating, or why are you not even consistent? If you started creating at all, why are you not even consistent? I'm going to play a video for you. Actually, this video I'm recording right now is inspired by Dinah Ekweme. I don't know if you know her. Okay, so I'm going to play a short video for you where she talked about, how she started to earn. Now she earns a million, in millions every month. When she started YouTube, she was earning in thousands, right, from hundreds to thousands. Those little days counted, and she actually got inspired from the little earnings and started to do more. So in at the end of the day, anyway, let me not just listen to the video. Okay, we'll come back to this.
Only been over 4 years ago since I picked up my first paycheck, and I saw on there 40,000 naira from YouTube. And fast forward to today, I'm seeing a monthly YouTube income of 3 million naira and more, depending on how the month goes. You guys know, sponsorship, if I'm doing masterclass, if I'm getting more views. But on average, it's between 2 million naira and 3 million naira a month. So what did I do? I started taking my YouTube seriously. The first thing I did was to start posting more. I started using the
Yeah. So I'm sure you heard her. Okay, you've heard from the horse's mouth now how earning on YouTube actually just changed her life. Literally, she went from earning zero every month, 0 naira or $0 every month, to earning in millions. Now, she also mentioned a lot of things which I'm about to talk about right now. So it's not even just about the money that you earn from people watching your videos. You get deals, like you start to get these from brands. Like, you become a business entity as a human being, as a person, right? You become a business entity, because brands will now start reaching out to you. It's now time for you to, like, come up with your rate card and give them bills. You start making money. She is a vlogger. I hope you know that she vlogs. So it's not just about you even having a tutorial channel or an educative channel where you sell your ebooks and all of that, your products. She is a vlogger. As a vlogger, sometimes when you use some products during your vlogs, you can just talk about this product or you tag them. This is how they reach out to you. Other brands will watch your video and see that, oh, you're using this brand, and they want to reach out to you to tell you to also use their brand. There are so many things, so many goodies that come with this type of deals. Okay, so if you are still sitting down there, you're watching this video, and you're just a YouTube viewer, and you're looking at your bank account, and it's not even reading up to six figures, and you're still there thinking of what you can do to start earning money. Content creation is the easiest way to start making money. So please pick up that camera and press record and start making content and start making money from this. Okay, all right, guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and remember to join my Telegram group. I'm leaving the link in the description box. Okay, in that Telegram group, it's a group for small digital creators. Okay, so what we do there is to coach small creators on how to grow their audience, how to come up with very good content, how to grow their audience in all of their digital space, basically. So join that community. It's free right now. Join that group right now. Go to the description box and click on the link there. Join there, and so that we can help you grow your subscribers, grow your audience, and help you come up with very good content. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Check out the video on this screen right now and see if it's something that can help you, grow your channel, grow your audience, come up with good content. Whichever one, I am here for you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.